Bees, organized and methodical insects who give their life to the colony. There are up to 20,000 species of bees all around the world. Some may overlook their importance, but without them, human civilization as we know it would most likely perish. Welcome to Naturally. These are the top 4 reasons why you would most likely disappear without bees. Let's get started. Number 1. No bees equals no food. Honeybees alone are in charge of an insane 80% of the world pollination. 1 out of every 3 bites of our food, including fruits, vegetables, chocolate, coffee, nuts, and spices, is created with the help of pollinators such as bees. This means that without our little winged friends, you would most likely be not able to enjoy a simple apple or a morning espresso, a flavorful avocado toast, or one of our favorite chocolate bars. Analysts have estimated that with such crucial roles bees partake in, there is a direct associate cost to pollination of over $200 billion per year. These small, humble creatures endure the task of ensuring we all are capable of enjoying a healthy, complete diet. Hence, now you can visualize how much work and effort there is into your usual simple little snack time. Number 2. Bees and medicine. Since the start of human history, bees have had a major role in scientific endeavors, such as the continuous development of medicines with their research and constant observation. It is said by experts that bees are a superorganism with a collective immune system. They are capable of withstanding pathogens and fight diseases in order to prosper and survive. Since bees are such strong and remarkable creatures, humans have learned to obtain a wide range of medicines and substances derived from their off-products, such as honey, bee pollen, propolis, royal jelly, beeswax, and even bee venom. These products have been found to exhibit anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, and even antioxidant activities. It has been also shown that natural honeybee products inhibit tumor cell growth and metastasis prevention, and induce apoptosis of cancer cells. Hence, these bioactive natural products may prove to be useful in cancer therapy. The loss of these magnificent creatures would stagnate significantly the advancement in medicine technologies remarkably, inducing in the propagation of more diseases and the perishing of more human beings. Number 3. Disruption in the food chain. Bees not only help with food crops, but they also pollinate wild plants. Hence, we should never ignore the importance of wild plants in our lives. Wild plants are a major component of biodiversity. They provide food to a wide variety of insects, birds, and animals that constitute nature. Without wild plants, these key players in the ecosystem would simply disappear. There would be no milk, no meat, and other important foods we get directly from animals and birds. This disruption in the food chain is directly linked with our reason number 1, inducing a global starvation in our planet that would not just result in the banishing of the human beings as we know it, but of all the creatures and living organisms around it. Number 4. No bees means no oxygen. You see, once you understand the critical and significant role of bees in today's world, you will eventually understand that if there are no bees, there wouldn't be even breathable air. These influential insects are, as mentioned, in charge of making sure the wild plants and trees keep existing in our ecosystems. If there is no one in charge of making sure these plant organisms reproduce through the natural season pollination partaken by bees, humans would simply suffocate. We all know if there are no trees, human beings wouldn't be able to simply breathe carbon dioxide or nitrogen air present in the atmosphere. Oxygen is a fundamental gas element for life. Hence, we could say thanks to bees, you right now are able to breathe. In conclusion, Now that you are all well informed of the impacts resulting from the disappearing of bees, you will most likely view these amazing creatures as what they really have always been: solid pillars of life as we know it on Earth. Without them, now we know that you or me would stop being able to have a bite of a loaf of bread or even take our last breath. We can surely say there is no plan B without bees. This is Naturally. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and share with your friends if you want them to know as well as you do now how our fragile existence depends on these small insects.